Hello everyone, welcome to MES e-learning channel. The session we are going to have is inflation. Now what is inflation? Inflation is rise in prices and fall in the value of money. We say inflation is rise in prices and the value of money falls. Now this value of money is nothing but the measuring rod for the prices, okay, or we can say it as the purchasing power. Purchasing power means how much money can purchase. So if the prices increase, automatically the value of money falls, and vice versa. Vice versa is a situation that if the prices are rising, opposite is happening for value of money, or the value of money is falling. Now talking about this rise in prices, it is rise in general price level. General price level means the prices of all the commodities increase together. Many of the commodities increase together. Reason being, when there is a rise in price of one commodity, automatically it has an effect on other. For example, suppose we say there is a rise in oil prices. Now oil is an input which is used for agriculture, it is used for industries, as well as it is used for service sector. So automatically it is an input for other firms, and it will increase the price in all these sectors altogether. So the commodities either related to agriculture or industries or service, everywhere there will be a rise in price. It is also a spiral in nature. A spiral because it goes in many sectors altogether, and it has a tendency to spread out, and it also remains persistent. Persistent means for a comparatively longer period of time. It does not mean that the prices are rising today and tomorrow they are falling. If inflation is there, it remains for a comparatively longer period. This inflation is taken in percentage. Percentage means how much has been the rise over the earlier period in commodities. Now which commodities? A basket of commodities are taken there. A basket of commodities again means certain commodities which are chosen, which are the baseline in the economy, how much has been the rise in their prices. Prices, if they are rising, they are not always bad. A mild inflation is somewhere good for the economy. Mild inflation means inflation up to 5 to 6%, that is an acceptable one because it creates a growth to the economy. So this we have learnt about inflation.